The new soundbar features a super slim design, and doesn't jut out too much when wall-mounted. The GX Soundbar is designed to be used with the GX Gallery OLED series of TVs from LG. Various audio formats up to Dolby Atmos and DTS-X are supported on the LG GX Soundbar, along with HDMI 4K pass-through with support for Dolby Vision. The soundbar is just 3.25 cm thick, giving it a flush-to-wall appearance when wall-mounted. The package also includes a dedicated wireless subwoofer. You can also separately buy the LG SPK8 wireless rear speaker kit to use with the LG GX Soundbar. LG GX Soundbar uses HDMI eARC and Bluetooth for wired and wireless connectivity, and is also high-res audio certified. Now, the LG GX Soundbar is available for purchase in the United States for $899. That includes a discount of $100 over its retail price of $999. The soundbar is designed to complement LG's super-thin GX Gallery OLED series TVs, which are also known as wallpaper TVs. Apart from putting it up on the stand, the soundbar can also be mounted on the wall directly under the TV. The 3.1-channel soundbar uses HDMI eARC and Bluetooth for wired and wireless connectivity. The LG GX Soundbar also comes packed with the company's own AI Sound Pro mode, which automatically analyzes the audio and applies the best sound settings for whatever is currently playing. Peek at the rear of the soundbar and you'll find two HDMI ports. One input and one eARC-compatible output, as well as an optical digital input. There's also a USB input on the bar's right-hand side, along with a few buttons for manually turning the soundbar on, selecting the source and adjusting the volume. The GX also has Bluetooth connectivity for wireless streaming duties. Meanwhile, the wireless subwoofer connects automatically via 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and connects to the mains with a figure-of-8 power lead. If you have any problems with wireless connectivity, a pairing button on the rear lets you manually reconnect the subwoofer to the soundbar. An LED display in the center of the bar beams into life behind the fabric grille and indicates the current volume or sound mode. While the GX is connected to a TV via eARC, you barely need to touch its own remote at all. It automatically powers on and off when you power on the TV, and the TV remote also controls volume and muting. The small, dedicated remote control does provide some other options, however. It lets you select the sound profile presets, toggles up mixing, and adjust the volume levels of the subwoofer, left, right and center channels, in addition to the surround channels. If you have the optional rear speaker kit connected, there are 5 preset sound modes: AI Sound Pro, Bass Blast, Standard, Movie, and Music. The Movie preset sounds a lot louder than the other presets. The 6-inch driver in the subwoofer does its best. Music sounds good, however. Vocals are crisp and clear, bass delves as deep as the subwoofer physically can. And the soundbar does a rather good job of creating an illusion of front-to-back depth, with layers of sounds and instruments stretching out behind. It's really very listenable, and remains so until the volume gets too high. LG GX Soundbar delivers superior sound thanks to Dolby Atmos and DTS-X for remarkable 3-dimensional audio. The speaker is Dolby Vision compatible via 4K pass-through, enabling the best possible picture and sound quality for truly cinematic home viewing. If you enjoyed the video, you guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.